Hi, Nick from LRM. Just here doing a demonstration with a VersEseal product today. We've repaired this fish liner a few times, and so we'll pop some water in there in a second. We've got some fish, just have them swimming around in a second and just show you that the product's suitable for potable water, aquariums, crocodile tanks, shark tanks. It's great for all those applications. Okay, so for us to demonstrate the repair, we'll get Lee in a moment to demonstrate the repair on this fish pond. We just need a small hole in there. So Aidan, can you just come put us a small hole in there, please? Yeah, that'll do it. Okay, so we've got the hole that Aidan's put in there for us. So we'll flip her over and get Lee in to start working through the process of patching it up. So we obviously want the nice clean dry surface. Put on a nice thick coat of the VersEseal. Building up to that 2mm thick wet coat. Lay in the geofabric bandage to reinforce across that gap. And then another coat of the VersEseal straight over the top, so you've got that beautiful wet on wet sandwich with the geofabric in the middle reinforcing that joint. That'll take about 24 hours to go off, and just check it's dry before you fill it up with water.